Do you feel nervous when speaking English? Shy? Afraid of making mistakes? Well, stay with me till the end, because today I'll share the simple steps that will help you speak with more confidence. Now, let's be real. In the beginning, it's natural to feel shy and nervous when speaking a new language. You mostly worry about making mistakes, and in many cases, you're afraid of being judged. But here's the truth. Mistakes are part of learning. Think about it. Whenever you try to learn a new skill, you make mistakes. And that's okay. Because mistakes show that you're trying, that you're moving forward, instead of just sitting back and thinking. Every fluent speaker you admire today was once a beginner too. So, how do you build confidence in speaking English? Start small. Say a few words out loud every single day. The more you speak, the more comfortable you'll feel. Practice with a friend, record your voice, or speak in front of a mirror. Remember, practice makes perfect. Your mouth muscles need exercise, just like your body. Once they get stronger, it becomes easier to pronounce words better, speak more fluently, and make fewer mistakes. And don't forget, even native speakers make mistakes. Sometimes it's just a slip of the tongue. Nobody speaks perfectly all the time. So don't wait, don't hesitate. Start speaking today. Because every single time you speak, you are getting better, stronger, and more confident. And here's your bonus tip. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it is. Even saying one new sentence today is a win. If this helped you, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy English speaking tips.